Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check deposit history on Delta Exchange app. Delta Exchange allows users to deposit cryptocurrency into the account for trading and investment. After making a deposit, you may want to check your deposit history to confirm whether the funds were successfully received. The deposit history section in the Delta Exchange app shows the details of all of your past deposits, including the amount, cryptocurrency type, date and transaction status. So first, unlock your phone and open to your Delta Exchange app on your device, and make sure to log into your account using a registered email and password, and make sure to complete two-factor authentication. And on the top right corner we can find this small profile icon. Go to your profile icon, and over here under this my account, scroll a bit down until you find to this transaction log. Over here under the transaction logs we can find to the asset history, order history, fill history, and the transfer history. Here you can review all of the deposit details, your cryptocurrency type, deposit amount, date and time of the deposit, transaction ID, status, and you can tap a specific transaction to view more detailed information. And checking your deposit history on the Delta Exchange app is quick and easy, and you'll find all of the deposit to see all your previous deposit and the status on the Delta Exchange app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you.